over 4 decades, GMR has been at the forefront of creating and operating some of the most important infrastructure assets in the country and across the world. We took our cumulative experience and expertise and fashioned them into a bouquet of services that we proudly call the GMR Services Business. Designed to enhance productivity with a special focus on airports, GMR Services Business ensures smooth and hassle-free operations of infrastructure assets, emergency readiness on war footing, and seamless integration of facilities, systems, process and people. GMR Services offers GMR Engineering and Management Services or GEMS, RUXA Techno Security Solutions, GMR Aviation Academy, GMR Aviation Private Limited, and other allied services offered under the GMR Services Business umbrella. RUXA Techno Security Solutions is a trusted name in airport security and management, with services running the entire gamut of safety requirements, including cyber security, techno security solutions, fire audit and operations, specialized training modules, manned guarding, and comprehensive consultancy solutions. The GMR Aviation Academy has emerged as a gateway to aviation learning in India and abroad. The Academy offers accredited and industry-recognized programs that encompass all the different aspects of the aviation business. GMR Engineering and Management Services offers a wide variety of services for the entire life cycle of airports and beyond by providing technical support, maintenance solutions, and project execution through a dedicated team of over 250 specialized engineers. GMR Aviation Private Limited offers charter services through a luxurious privately owned jet and a helicopter. In addition, GMR Services Business also offers a host of allied services that include end-to-end airside rescue and firefighting services, comprehensive terminal operations services, operations and maintenance of FBO facilities, airport management consultancy services, environment management, and airport operations and control center services. With GMR Services Business, we invite you to partner with us in building the nation and transform landscapes for a better tomorrow. GMR Services, service providers to the airport sector and beyond.